Hello everyone. Question is an administrator is tasked with migrating a single virtual machine VM from an existing VMware vCenter to a secure environment where corporate security policy requires that all VMs be encrypted. The secure environment consists of a dedicated vCenter instance with a 4-node vSphere cluster and already contains a number of encrypted VMs. Which two steps must the administrator take to ensure the migration is a success? Option A. Ensure that the source and destination vCenter instances share the same key management server KMS. Option B. Ensure that encrypted vMotion is turned off for the VM. Option C. Ensure that the VM is encrypted before attempting the migration. Option D. Ensure that the VM is powered off before attempting the migration. Option E. Ensure that the source and destination vCenter servers have a different key management server KMS. Correct answer is option A and option C. Question is an administrator has a requirement to revert a running virtual machine to a previous snapshot after a failed attempt to upgrade an application. When the administrator originally took the snapshot, the following choices in the Take Snapshot dialog were made. Snapshot the virtual machine's memory is equals to false quiz guest files. System is equals to false. What will be the result of the administrator selecting the revert to latest snapshot? Option 2. Return the virtual machine to a previous snapshot. Select two options. Option A. The virtual machine will be restored to the parent snapshot. Option B. The virtual machine will be restored in a powered off state. Option C. The virtual machine will be restored to the child snapshot. Option D. The virtual machine will be restored in a powered on state. Option E. The virtual machine will be restored in a suspended state. Correct answer is option A and option B. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is an administrator decides to restore VMware vCenter from a file-based backup following a failed upgrade. Which interface should the administrator use to complete the restore? Option A. Direct Console User Interface DCUI. Option B. vCenter Management Interface VAMI. Option C. vSphere Client. Option D. vCenter GUI Installer. Correct answer is option D. Question is after a number of outages within a production VMware software-defined data center, an administrator is tasked with identifying a solution to meet the following requirements. Reduce the risk of outages by proactively identifying issues with the environment and resolving them. Reduce the complexity of uploading log bundles when raising support tickets. Which solution should the administrator recommend to meet these requirements? Option A. VMware ARIA operations for logs. Option B. VMware Skyline Advisor Pro. Option C. VMware Skyline Health. Option D. VMware ARIA Operations. Correct answer is option C. Question is an administrator needs better performance and near zero CPU utilization from the ESXi host for networking functions and processing. The administrator creates a new vSphere distributed switch and enables network offload compatibility. Which solution would help achieve this goal? Option A, vSphere Distributed Services Engine. Option B, Data Processing Units DPUs. Option C, vSphere Network I/O Control. Option D, Universal Pass-Through Version 2. Correct answer is option B. Question is, what is the role of vSphere Distributed Services Engine? Option A, provide a live shadow instance of a virtual machine VM that mirror the primary VM to prevent data loss and downtime during outages. Option B, implement quality of service QoS on network traffic within a vSphere distributed switch. Option C, provide hardware accelerated data processing to boot infrastructure performance. Option D, redistribute virtual machines across vSphere cluster host affinity rules following host failures or during maintenance operations. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.